In this guide, I'm going to show you how to make Google Messages default messaging app on Samsung phone. Intro. First things first, you need to swipe up and you need to find the settings app right here. Go ahead and open it up and scroll all the way down towards the very bottom and you're going to see a little app setting option here. Go ahead and open that up, and up at the top of the screen, once it does load, you're going to see choose default apps. Go ahead and select it. Scroll down on here, you're going to see SMS apps right here. Go ahead and select it and then choose Google Messages. If Google Messages isn't listed, open up the Google Play Store, search for Google Messages and install the official app. Once it's installed, return to the SMS app settings and choose Google Messages as the default. Sometimes you do have to restart your phone though, so just keep that in mind. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.